Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels and selamat datang di Study with Nova and welcome in Study with Nova. Tereng. So, yeah, I will show you how to solve the equation. The first one it is dictionaries. Yeah, the the last part the last session we talk about what's the meaning the loop. Yeah, the loop, and then the if function somehow. Yeah, the if function. No, not function. The if statement. I mean, and then we use list, and then we know difference with tuple. Then this is the dictionary. So the first one, use dictionary to store persons you know, and then so the first name, last name, and age, and the city. Bring each piece of information to in your dictionary. So what's the difference between dictionaries and what do you mean, list or table? So the dictionary is what ini. Dictionary is first name. Okay, the identity. I think I would ident identity and like but in the dictionary you use kurung kurawang. What's the meaning? Kurung, that's it. That's kurung kurawang. And then you must first name. I think okay if you just using, it's not like variable, and then you must something to do, and then actually your name simple, and first name and last name, and the age, and the city. Right? I'm sorry, because this is string, right? Then you can just print the identity. Is it correct? Let's try. Python 3.6 font person and .py. Okay, good. So how to using um this dictionary to like open sentence. So print hello, my name is, then comma and identity. Nah, plus don't forget to s comma identity, kurung and then you use slash your first name. Hello, my name is Nova, and first name um I eh dot sorry, is it right? Hello, my name is Nova, and using that identity, um identity uh last name. Huh. I think I would like change this. Is it okay if you're done using last name and the title, and you just using I'm okay, wanna delete this. Yes, delete this. No, not apostrophe. That okay. Sheet no identity. Oh, okay. Is it correct? Just copy. Comma The name is Tofariskia. Okay, good. And then you can to print here. Print and um I wanna try using F. But I don't know. Here I but using this and using identity. And then H. This H. But years old. Is it right? Okay. Oh, okay. I'm using F. So you can add FBCs in this print F, and then you using kurung kurawang. Kurung kurawang. This is for your identity. I think it is much more easier for you because this you can add something in this. I mean like this. Using print, then using F. This is same. Hello. Hello. My name is like this, but you using this identity, comma, terus your first name, and okay, then just only using identity, you then last name. Then try again. First name, this last name, but yeah, good. Last name, but if you wanna make it Tito, I forget, is it good in here? Oh yeah, I forget Tito. Okay, good. This is the same like this. Perfect. Then I leave in F. I leave in identity in city dot title. So I prefer writing the codes like this. I prefer this using F. Then I wanna delete this. Okay. Then I wanna delete the print because it's just like same. Then hello, my name is Nova and I'm 31 years old and I live in Rotterdam. Okay. I'm sorry if it is quite like you confused, but yeah, somehow it is very easy, I think. Part 1. Don't forget you just add everything. Git add, don't forget git add by Python. Git commit. What is person identity? Git use. Okay. Then let's try another favorite number. I think it is more interesting questions.